Hey Lotto fans, welcome back. Well, if you saw my last video, you'll know that I won a chip on my last ticket, Plinko ticket, and I went to the counter and it was 10 bucks. So I was going to take the cash, but I remembered viewer Ms. Boss Vlog 1 requested more Plinko sessions, so I decided to buy 2 more, and that's what I did. So today I'm going to scratch these 2 Plinkos for you. All right, so let's get scratching. All right, make sure it's on the screen and no glare. So lucky number 20. Ooh, that's what I won on last time. Number 20. Gotta love that. 43. All right. 46. 46. 33. And 19. The average age of the combat soldier in Vietnam. No, 19. So let's see what we got. 22, no. 37, no. 36. 47. 10. 9. Well, got 19, but not 9. No, no 41. No 38. I'm trying to be careful this time. If you're a long-time viewer, you'll know that I miss a lot of them. 23. 25. Come on. That was a good year, though. 35. No, nothing down there. 24. No, come on, baby. Number 30. No. 49. Come on. Number 4. 21. 28. 8. Hey, 8 is usually lucky for the Chinese people. 18. Ooh, that's a chip. Wish I had 18. 11. No, down to the last row. Here we go. 12. 13. 40. Oh, I couldn't get 43. And 3. Well, doesn't look like I won anything on that ticket, unfortunately. Let's go to ticket number 2. Here we go. Ticket number 2. Lucky match number 22. Tiger Williams. 21. Boria Salming. What is this, a leaf? Oh, I need 27 for Daryl Sittler now. Oh, 42. And 16. Sweet 16. And 29. Okay. I used to say, oh, I like it when it's off like that. It's not level, because that means it's a winner, but that didn't pay off last time. So what do you got here? 12. 23. 28. 37. You know what? You're driving me nuts. Let's jump down to the bottom. 6. Oh, fooled me there. 6 and 16. 40. 24. Come on. I have 42, but not 24. 33. No. Let's try this one. 30. 41. Oh, I had 41 last time, but not now. 27. Daryl Sittler. Too bad it's not up on the match numbers. For 5. Come on. 39. 43. Come on. 34. And 17. Wendell Clark. What's that? 10. 20. No 20. 49. No, got 29. 44. Uh-oh. Down to the last row. Come on, baby. 15. 45. 7. 38. Oh, my. Oh, well, looks like I have 2 goose eggs today. But hey, that's luck of the draw, right? So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.